Okay, here's the Honeywell TC49D. Even though it looks like a CD2000A, this is a hardwired alarm. And the cover can open up, kind of like the TC49A. And like those, it's got a connector here, or a switch that cuts power when you open the cover. Now there's a battery, but this one doesn't have a battery backup, but as you can see there's provisions for it. Not sure what that model number would be. Let's see if I can get that right. As you can see, it's got the same sensor as the CD2000A and the same horn. And there's your LED. And like I said, there's the connector, the switch. There's your labels. Whoop, whoa! There. Trying to tap the iPad screen to get it to focus. But like I said, there's your squealer horn and sensitivity adjust. But look up here. That's for the light. It's like a tube type thing. You can see there. Let it focus. It's like a little lens that fits into that slot. I'll turn off the light and well, you can see it with low lighting. There you go. It looks pretty cool, actually, as you can see. So now, turn the light back on. One thing I forgot to mention, I have to open the cover again. Whoa! Hello, Nathaniel. Is that is a DC transformer. So it converts the AC voltage incoming to DC voltage. That's why you have the normal squealer horn there. And for further proof, it doesn't sound like the FireX that I uploaded yesterday. It sounds like the TC49As that you can see videos of on YouTube. Here we go. Test. Loud. One thing I've noticed is these hardwired Honeywells, the actual pitch of the alarm are a lot lower than the DC powered ones by only a couple of notes, but it is lower. Here's the back. Surprisingly, the actual current wires are right there. And then the yellow, black, and red there are for interconnect. So, and if you notice, there is a slight little point or a lens there. You can kind of tell it there. There you go. You can see it. So that's the Honeywell TC49D. One final test for you.